Constant Contact is a robust email marketing tool designed to help businesses create and manage effective email campaigns. Here's a quick guide on how to use it. Sign up and log in. Visit Constant Contact's website and sign up for an account. After registration, log in to access your dashboard. Create a new campaign. From the dashboard, click Create to start a new email campaign. Choose from options like email, automation, or other marketing tools based on your needs. Select a template. Choose a pre-designed template or start from scratch. Constant Contact offers various templates for newsletters, promotions, and announcements. Design your email. Use the drag and drop editor to add content blocks such as text, images, and buttons. Customize the design to match your branding. Add recipients. Upload or select your email list from the Contacts tab. You can segment your list to target specific groups. Set up campaign details. Enter your email subject line, pre-header text, and other settings. Review your email for accuracy. Send or schedule. Choose to send the email immediately or schedule it for a later time. Click Send or Schedule to finalize. Track performance. Use the report section to analyze open rates, click rates, and other metrics to gauge your campaign's success.